Hello to all the viewers of Yearn to Learn. This is Priya Handa, and in today's video I am going to share with you 10 ideas to celebrate Father's Day. Yes, fathers are very special, and many a times they become our mothers, our friends, our guides. So this video is dedicated to fathers and the celebration ideas. So whether you are a child, a parent, or a teacher, or any profession, you can celebrate Father's Day in your own way. So stay tuned to see these ideas. So 10 ideas for Father's Day, and 2021 it is coming on 20th June. So friends, Father's Day is a day of honoring fatherhood and paternal bonds. Father's Day was founded by Sonora Smart Dodd and celebrated on the third Sunday of June for the first time in 1910. The day is held on various dates across the world, and different regions maintain their own traditions of honoring fatherhood. Friends, I would like to share with you that Sonora was quite impressed by the idea of Mother's Day celebration, and then she felt an urge that father's recognition should also be there, and that's how Father's Day came into existence. She had seen her father sacrificing his life for children, because Sonora's mother died when Sonora was 16 while giving childbirth. So she had seen that struggle of fathers. So that's how she thought that Father's Day should also get recognition. Let's begin with the activities or ideas of celebrating Father's Day. First idea is my dad, my superhero. So what can you do? A child can write a story for the father. So it could be based on fiction. It could be based where the father is a hero. It could be real story, how your father has loved you and played with you and guided you. So this is how you can create one. Or you can make dad's tune. So this is a special kind of story where your father is a superhero. So anyhow, it's a written expression of showing your love for your fathers. The second activity or idea is take your dad online shopping. So if you're a grown-up child, so you can take your dad for an online shopping from the comfort of your home, and it could be from anything. If you love sports, any particular sport, you can go for football, necktie, laptop bag, or anything. So take it as a little surprise that let's go online shopping on this Father's Day. Third idea is made with hands and love. Now what you can do, you can make a handmade card. It could be up to you. You can write a poem that's handwritten, so your hand and lots of love. So it's your own creativity what you can do. You can create a love box with a lot of messages in it, or with chocolates in it. So it's up to you, like something handmade that would touch your father's heart for sure. The next idea is it's a paperweight. So what you can do, you can order a customized paperweight, or better do it yourself, DIY paperweight with a rock or something. You can paint it, you can write your short message on it. So create a paperweight for your father's desk. Next idea is dad's special playlist. Now this is one of my favorites. What you have to do is you have to devote your time, and then be sure about your father's choice of songs and create a special playlist for your father. It could be a collection of classic songs that may be rare to find, or it could be retro songs, or as per your father's choice. He's gonna enjoy it for sure. Next idea, catch the match. Now what you can do, you can go in for ditto clothes, that is same to same color, same texture, same design, or you can go in for complementing t-shirts, some text written on the father's t-shirt about daughter or son, and on the son or daughter's t-shirt something written for father. So either complementing or same to same. Catch the match. Seventh idea is let's cook together. So you can alter it a bit. If you can handle kitchen on your own, you can prepare something special for your father, or you can cook together. You can bake a cake, you can prepare a special salad, you can cook breakfast together. So togetherness and cooking is the key here. Next is cookie jar for your star. Now what's special about this cookie jar? Special thing is you need to be creative. So it's a regular cookie jar, but with your message, with your decoration, with the choice of cookies inside, you can make it special for your dad. So add a note, add a slip, maybe tie something and write a message, and do not forget that the cookies or chocolates or biscuits, whatever you're putting in, should be your dad's favorite. Next idea number 9 is Dad's Day, Spa Day. So what you can do here is you can give a head massage to your father yourself, or you can book it for him, or let him have a relaxing day at spa. So either booking or arranging at home, it's completely your choice. 10th and the last idea is make anything special with your message. So we can go in for anything, maybe a basketball. Now you may not purchase it, it may be at home, but you can make it special with your message written on it. You may be a small child who cannot go out, so what you can do is you can just put your message with all your love and how genuinely you feel for your father. So it could be a keychain. If you want a new one with message, it's again your choice. If you want to use something, recycle something from your home, it's again your choice. So ideas are many, and I'm sure you're creative. So you are amazing, fathers are amazing. So I hope you would enjoy this Father's Day as you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and spread smiles. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe Yearn to Learn. Happy Father's Day once again. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.